Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you for you. Thank you for watching.
My name is Darguin Fortuna, and I am one of the principals and co-founders of Flow Design Architects. Flow Design Architects started all the way back in 2014 when, at that time, Marcos Severino, my colleague and classmate from school, and Shuatin Wu, another classmate from the BAC, the Boston Architectural College, came together. We were working at different offices, and I started thinking we could probably do better. Something was missing, something wasn't right. I asked the same question to them, and they all agreed that something wasn't right about the workplaces or the environments or the profession itself. We weren't sure what it was. The next day I called and I said, today we have a board meeting and we're going to launch Flow Design. From that meeting all the way back in 2014, nothing really happened until 2017. In 2017, the vision and idea and goals came together. With the help of many people, we launched Flow Design Architects. Flow Design Architects, even during the 2017 launching, didn't really know what we wanted to be. We started looking from within, and we realized that what was missing was exactly what we could bring to the table. Diversity, a background of ideas, concepts, and flow, right? The name of flow. So those ideas and concepts and the decision of actually being impactful and being very, very thorough on what we want it to be. A diverse architectural ecosystem that both develops the pipeline of the next generation of architects, but uses that pipeline to create better architecture, better community by representing our communities from within. That turned out to be a great business decision and also an amazing and legendary legacy. That's what we are, Flow.
Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you for you. Thank you for watching.